Hey folks, Bill here. It's been a while, I know. So, thanks for hanging in there and waiting for me, if you have. And so, I'm at a park today near my house that has a lot of neat gazebos, and it's a nice little community park nestled right here in the city, and has a lot of neat options and things you can do here. And just enjoy nature. And yeah, there's a water fountain up in front there. The kids come and play and cool off in the summertime. The gazebos to sit and get out of the sun, and they have events here, so it's really cool. And there's a really neat feature here in the middle, so let's check it out. The Coatesville High Bridge is a stone masonry arch railroad viaduct that crosses the valley of the West Brandywine Creek at Coatesville, Pennsylvania. Built by the Pennsylvania Railroad between 1902 and 1904, it has 10 arches. It spans a total length of 934 feet, with wing walls extending it to 1,287 feet. 8 of the arches are 78 feet high, while the other 2 are 88 feet high. The bridge was built to accommodate 4 standard gauge railroad tracks, with a total length of 52 feet. Here is something unique. This Christmas card was my grandfather's. As you can see, the bridge is in the background of this picture. And this is a picture of the running railroad's 460 Camelback steam locomotive getting an on-the-spot maintenance check by her crew. It is the late 1930s or early 1940s, as we can see on the Pennsylvania Railroad's streamlined GG1 electrics, headed southward over the Stone Arch Viaduct spanning the yards in Coatesville. Well, it's not a very big park. It does have some nice benches to sit on and enjoy the scenery, and you can hear geese. A lot of geese around here migrating back north. Yeah, so I decided to sit and enjoy it for a little bit. Made to the spot, ground zero. Typical little micro cache for this type of area, but it's perfect, blends in nicely. Almost didn't see it, but yeah, glad I got to explore this park. I knew it was here, it's been here for a while. It's actually kind of part of one of those rails to trails kind of thing, because there used to be a rail that used to run through here from the steel mill. I'll show you some of that, and to Hibernia Park, where I cache frequently, where there's quite a few caches I still have to get yet, but there's quite a few caches there. But it was part of the steel mill and then rails used to run here between, this is the steel mill that I've talked about before, that used to run from the steel mill to the park. They transferred the ore and whatever was processed, whatnot. And as you can see also on the creek up here is the spillway control that would regulate water into the steel mill for cooling. So, pretty cool. A lot of history here. So hopefully maybe I can get some more of that too. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hey, do me a favor, subscribe right down there and click on that push bell so you get notifications of all my uploads. Take care, everybody. Thanks for watching.